Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on November 10, 2022, 4-star Sudoku. Column E, column F, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, and the 8th grade also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 and 5 it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Column E we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. 9th row, column H we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Column H we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. The 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9, it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 3rd grade, we have 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells. 9th grade, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Then 10th row, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then the column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 9th row, column G, we have 8. So it can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. 5th row and 7th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Column F, column G, we have pair numbers 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. 2nd row, we have 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells. 4th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Then 2nd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9, it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 2nd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. Column D, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Column G, we have 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells. 5th row, we have 8. So it can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. 8th grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Then 2nd row, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. 8th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. 7th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. 1st grade and 6th row, we have 4. 8th row also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. 9th row, column C, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Column D also we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell, then 7 is confirmed here. 4th row, we have 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Then 1st grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Column D, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. 4th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Then 4th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, then 4 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Then 3rd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Column G, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Then 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. Column I, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, then 8 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Column C, column D, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells, then 9 is confirmed here. Then column H, only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. Column C, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 6 is here. Then 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column C, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. The 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. 6th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then first grade, only 1 number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 8, 3. 5th row and 7th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column G, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 4. 6th row, we have 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 5th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column G, only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. 5th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 5th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column I, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 9, 6. 5th row, we have 6 and 9. So 6 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. 7th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column I, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column B, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 6, 5. 5th row, we have 6 and 5. So 6 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 5th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column B, only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.